Spot it. How to play. The object of the game is to make matches and score points. Players find the matching symbols between two cards. A match must have the same shape and the same color. Only the size may be different. There are 5 different mini-games you can play. Version 4, the Poison Gift. Shuffle the cards and deal 1 card to each player. These cards are placed face down in front of them. The remaining cards are placed in the middle of the table face up to form a draw pile. The object is to have the fewest number of cards. Players simultaneously flip over their cards. Players look for a match between the center card and any of the other players' cards. If you spot a match, call it out. Take the center card and place it on top of the other player's card you looked at to make the match. This is the Poison Gift, since you give a card to an opponent. A new card is revealed as the center card, and play continues until the draw pile is empty. The player with the fewest number of cards wins the game.